we're just gonna hope I'm in focus. Welcome back to Vlogmas, day 2, and it is a gross day out. Rainy and cold, but man, we needed it. We've been dealing with a bunch of wildfires here recently. I don't have any recent memory of actually experiencing anything like that, so it's been interesting, and everybody's just been praying for rain, and thankfully we're getting a full day of rain, like possibly 2 inches. So it's cold and rainy out, and I'd rather not leave my little nest, but I need to. I need to go to the antique mall. I need to take all those recently priced items over. It's just now setting in how long of a day tomorrow is gonna be, and I have to drive Mike into work, come back, finish cleaning and doing what I need to do here, take the dogs to my parents, and then go pick him up. That way we don't need to worry about leaving a car where he works over the weekend. And we leave from his work to go to Georgia. He said it's gonna be like, it's an 8-hour drive. So tomorrow's Vlogmas is gonna be even more boring. I'm so sorry. It's just gonna be a running around and then being in the car and then getting into Georgia late at night. I promise it'll get more exciting here soon. Anyways, we gotta go to the antique mall, and then when I get back, get the laundry ready. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Ooh, I'm gonna try and get a video up. Remember, you guys are watching this later. I'm filming this early, and I am still posting a regular weekly video, and I'm really hoping to get one up today. Eagles won last night, by the way. Just barely. Probably because Taylor wasn't there. I swear I didn't get into the football because of Taylor. I promise. I'm not even a huge Swiftie. I appreciate her music, but she's not the reason I got into football. Goodness I came in, because things actually got moved around quite a bit. Just gotta replenish the business cards before I get out of here. I have them scattered in different areas. I have some over here. And I'm gonna need to order more. I'm running low. I have some right there. I put all the clothing in and it's nice and full, but lots of jackets, lots of sweaters. I love how full it looks right now. And then just tied up this back area and added the smalls that I just priced. So like those crazed gold rim butter pats, the clam basket, the little handmade vase piece, just small stuff. There's one of the pieces right there. I still very much like how the whole space looks. I'm really happy with it, especially having this mannequin back here. She has sold some clothing for me. It's looking good. The smalls are selling well. I'm happy I was able to do this before this weekend. I feel a lot better. I'm actually kind of surprised it's not busier in here today, just because it is so rainy. Usually on rainy days, people love to come in and poke around. If it was a weekend, it'd be really busy. Rain and a weekend, definitely busy. And it could have been busy earlier before I got here and I just missed it. Let's go check my sales actually. Maybe that'll clue us into how today went. Sorry, the speaker is right above you. I know I sold 2 things last night. I forgot to tell you guys that. One of those terracotta planters with the tray, and Tori sold a denim skirt. Let's see. Ooh, I've sold 2 items today. I sold a sweater for 40 and a brass candlestick holder for 10. And I'm guessing that was the sweater that was on the mannequin. So far $50 today. Heck yes. What time is it? 4:30. Sadie Doe, hi. Whew. And a Zuzu. Hi, pup. Oh my goodness.
Zoe didn't get out of bed for me.
What? I need to get a video up. We just need to review it and make a thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Another thrifting video? So soon? I'm just realizing I'm wearing the same exact outfit. See, this is where I get in trouble because I want to add all these little extra things that you guys honestly wouldn't even notice we're missing, but I think are just fun little extras to include. Like the pictures and the screen recordings of Google Lens, stuff like that. Just make the video better.
Come on.
Sorry, Mike's playing video games.
I got a little black cat, and so, so and for 99 cents, I'll take.
And adding little clicks too. Just gives it some character. For when the, what am I trying to say? When the pictures or the screen recordings pop up or any little extra detail, they just complete it. Kind of keeps your attention too. See how that rolls.
Checking out, and it wasn't doing what I thought it was supposed to do. So black cat, and so, and for 99 cents, I'll take the risk with that.
All those little things go into an edit like this, and that's what ends up taking me so long. And now the upload process is taking forever. I should be cleaning, but I just don't have it in me. So instead I'm waiting for this and watching Face Off. I don't know if you guys know what Face Off is, but it is a movie magic monster making competition. Basically they create and make creatures and compete against each other to see who is the best at making these cool creatures, and they're judged by people that have done movies like Lord of the Rings and Star Wars and did the creature creation for that and built them. And yeah, I really enjoy it. I love watching them create these creatures from pen and paper to physical form. It's pretty crazy. I think I'm watching season 4 right now. I just found out all the seasons are on Hulu. So excited. I think season 5 and 6 are on Netflix. I'm also a big fan of Project Runway. There was an HGTV room designer competition that I think happened in 2020. It was okay. I wasn't impressed. But yeah, I love Project Runway and I love Face Off. They're very similar to me as far as like what I get out of them. I love watching the design process. I love watching them put it together, seeing where the inspiration comes from, especially when there's like interesting challenges. Someone's about to get eliminated.
Actually, we have a situation.
Oh man.
Your makeup was amazing and it would have been on there.
Oh, this is who's gonna win.
You created a great cohesive makeup.
That's hilarious because I thought they all looked terrible. Everybody really struggled with this one.
You struggled with your concept and a few pieces of the makeup.
Yeah, but he's won the last 3.
Act on better decisions regarding
She's wearing flip-flops.
Oh,
Yeah, those flip-flops. Come on. I can't fly on Face Off. I love this show. This is still doing its thing. Might as well eat. Yeah, so I think I'm not gonna clean tonight. Why are you so zoomed in on my face? So I think I'm not gonna clean tonight. I'll clean and pack tomorrow and just put laundry away. And that should be my evening. Are you out of focus too? I'm so sorry. Food. Making it go public right now. Yes. I don't normally post on Tuesday, especially at 9:30 at night. YouTube actually lets me know when people are on. They give me the stats about when most of my viewers are watching YouTube. Usually it's Sunday at like 6 or Monday around 6, not normally Tuesday at 9:30. So it'll be interesting to see how this video does compared to the other videos. Oh shoot, I forgot to change the title. I need to change the title real fast. Hold on. What I found.
Really good. I saw you
Thrifting.
directing the entire operation.
All right, we'll see how it does. Guys, I am tired, so I will see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. It's gonna be a long day.